Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for coming back and tuning in. Today's video, guys, as you all can see from the title, we are going over these twists right here in my head. But first, if you are new to my channel, welcome, fro friends. We welcome you with open arms, okay? Hopefully I bring you content that'll keep you coming back and coming back and coming back. But enough of that. We are here for the twist, honey. So today's video is brought to you by Toyotress and the Bob Spring Twist. It is in the color T27. I'm not going to get too much into it because all of my original fro friends know that I get to that at the end of the video. So if you want to learn how I install these and also some more details about these twists, stay tuned. So let's get into this tutorial. I'm just going to go on ahead and pre-part my whole entire head. I'm using the rubber band method, as you can see. If you guys want a full tutorial over how I part the back of my head, I'm going to link that above. Using my 3 Protective Style Holy Grail products, and I'm going to link those below, of course. I'm going to go on ahead and make sure my hair is completely moisturized and saturated with product before I go on ahead and start twisting in the hair. Since I'm doing these twists individually, I'm going to go on ahead and untwist the hair. Taking my crochet needle, I'm going to take the middle of the twist and I'm going to hook it onto the crochet needle and pull it through the base of my twist underneath the rubber band. And then pull one side through so that it is sitting underneath the rubber band. Once that hair is tightly secured underneath that rubber band, I'm just going to split my hair in half equally and start twisting down. Please remember, guys, to twist in the exact same direction that the hair is curling in order to achieve a really nice looking spring twist. Once the twist is complete, I'm just going to twirl the end of my twist in order to secure it and tuck any loose or stray hairs that may appear or stick out. I'm going to go on ahead and slow this video down in order for you guys to see exactly what I'm doing step by step. And so, enjoy. Side note, when you guys are twisting, and you'll see it kind of in the slow down clip, but I tend to twist my hair in one side of the crochet hair together before twisting both sides together, because it helps my hair and the crochet hair stay together so that I don't have any stray hair sticking out of the twist once they're done. You'll also see me reaching for edge control every couple twists in order to secure my hair as well. My hair tends to stick out of these twists, so I'm making sure that I'm using a generous amount of product in order to keep the twist looking really nice. Once the twist is complete, I'm just going to look for any stray hairs that may be sticking out. If I do have any, I'm just going to really quickly tuck it into the twist, and it is that easy, guys. These twists took me about 3 hours to complete. I did use pretty big parting, so I just went on ahead to finish the style. I did my baby hairs and secured the style with my NAIROBI and my scarf, and it's done. Hey guys, we're back with the finished product. As you guys can see, these twists are super cute, especially when styled. Y'all know with all of my protective styles, I'll do the half up, half down. That's like my go-to. And so I just wanted to come back and show you guys what the hair looked like styled. As you guys know, like I stated in the beginning and during the tutorial, these are the Bob Spring Twists from Toyotress, and they are 12 inches in the color T27. They come in a pack of 8, and so these will last you guys. I literally used 47. I have 47 twists in my head right now, so I have a ton of packs left. I have about 5 packs left of twists still to use, and so I will be using these again, and I will not have to reuse. So that is really, really nice from Toyotress that they do that for you instead of you having to buy all the individual packs. Guys, I also unraveled these. So when you unravel these, they come like this. As you can see, they're already twisted and everything, so you are able to crochet with these. I chose to do them individually because I tend to overdo the crochet, like put too many twists in my head, and so I wanted to control how many twists I had in my head. So I did the individual method as you all saw in the tutorial, and I used 47 of these little babies right here. But when you are doing them and you're unraveling them, they will elongate just a tad. I didn't think that they elongated a lot because they do spring back up once you kind of sleep on them and everything. I've had these in for about a week. And as you can see, they don't look bad at all, guys. I have a little bit of frizzing, but not too much. I do go in, if I have like a big piece of hair sticking out, I do go in and kind of like retwist it back in, but nothing too like crazy or anything. These actually have lasted really, really well. So I'm really, really stoked about that, because one thing that I worry about with twists is my hair coming out and them looking really, really bad after a couple days. So these really did not do that. So I'm really, really pleased with that. I really like how they give you the option, like I said, to do them crochet style or to do them individually. They're really easy to maneuver. They don't really tangle a lot. One thing I will say about these is that if you want to comb them out in order to kind of like blend your hair with it, it is a little bit harder. I chose to kind of keep them intact as they were, just unravel them and then retwist them with my hair, because I did find that they were kind of hard to comb out. Unlike loose hair where you can just like kind of like comb it out and then twist it in with your hair. These come in a plethora of sizes. They come up to a 6-inch. So if you really, really wanted to do the bob length, I would recommend the 6-inch, because as you can see, the 12-inch comes pretty far down on me. I did kind of, you guys know that I am obsessed with super duper long protective styles. If you all have seen my Instagram, you'll see a lot of protective styles that are like down to my knees. And so I do kind of want to elongate them a little bit. So what I ended up doing is kind of offsetting the twists a little bit in order to kind of like elongate them some. So if you wanted to kind of make them true to length, I would definitely make each side even before twisting them, so that you are able to have like the true 12-inch. I wanted them a tad bit longer, so I ended up making one side shorter than the other before twisting, and then that created kind of like a longer twist at the end. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is like a perfect example, because this one, as you can see, this side is a little bit shorter than this side, so it made the twist a little bit longer. So guys, when doing these twists, it's really, really important, and I know that I mentioned it in the tutorial part, but just in case that you missed it, it is really, really important to twist these twists in the direction that the hair is curling and in the direction that the hair was previously twisted. You'll be able to tell if you twist it the wrong way, because the twist will kind of look undone a little bit. It won't look like the previous twist like this. It'll look a little bit undone, and you'll be able to see your hair and everything like that. I did do that to a couple of them, but I did catch it before I was like all the way down on the end of the twist. So just make sure that when doing this, especially if you're doing the individuals like me, to make sure that you twist in the direction that the hair was already twisted. So that's a pro tip from Rachel. Otherwise, guys, I am obsessed with these twists. I think that I'm gonna have these in for about a good like 2 to 3 more weeks. I'm not sure how long they'll be able to last without looking like really crazy, but I'm gonna try to upkeep them as long as possible, because this, like, I really feel like twists are like my like style, guys. Like, these are like so cute. I've gotten so many compliments on them, and I hope you all love them and try them out. If I left out anything that you guys want to know, please let me know down in the comment section below. I'll try to get to all of your questions as soon as possible. Go on ahead, smash that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, why haven't you? Go on ahead, click on my face, and I will see you all in my next video.